Delaware County, Ohio Sanitary Engineer Maintenance Contractor Bond. What is the Delaware County, Ohio Sanitary Engineer Maintenance Contractor Bond? The Delaware County, Ohio Sanitary Engineer Maintenance Contractor Bond is a type of surety bond required for contractors performing maintenance or related work involving sanitary sewer systems within the county. It serves as a financial guarantee that the contractor will comply with county regulations, construction standards, and permit requirements. The bond protects Delaware County and the public from financial loss if the contractor fails to properly complete the work or violates applicable rules. Why is Delaware County, Ohio Sanitary Engineer Maintenance Contractor Bond required? Delaware County requires this bond to help ensure that maintenance contractors perform sewer-related work safely, legally, and according to approved standards. It provides protection for public infrastructure by holding contractors financially accountable for damages, defective work, or non-compliance. The bond also helps maintain the integrity of the county's sanitary sewer system and gives the county a way to recover costs if repairs or corrections become necessary. How does Delaware County, Ohio Sanitary Engineer Maintenance Contractor Bond works? The contractor purchases the bond from a surety company before receiving approval to perform maintenance work in Delaware County. If the contractor fails to meet contractual obligations or violates county requirements, the county may file a claim against the bond for compensation. The surety may pay valid claims up to the bond amount, but the contractor is ultimately responsible for repaying the surety for any covered losses. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.